In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find work anniversaries on LinkedIn, an essential skill in today's professional world to keep connections and celebrate achievements. So let's dive right into it and make this task easy and manageable. First, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com. This is your first stop in finding any work anniversary details. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. You can do this by signing in with either your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, you can use your email address along with your password. Don't worry, LinkedIn's login process is relatively straightforward and quick. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you might encounter an extra step. LinkedIn could ask you to verify your account using a code sent to your phone number. This step adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information, and it's a good practice to have it enabled. Once you're signed in, navigate to the LinkedIn profile of the person whose work anniversary you want to find. Just use the search bar at the top if you need to locate their profile quickly. When you're on the profile, scroll down to the experience section. This is where LinkedIn conveniently lists all past and present job roles of the individual. Here you will need to find the particular position you're interested in checking out. Look closely at the date range next to the current or past position. This range indicates the time frame for which they've been working in that role. If the job anniversary has already passed, you might notice a badge signifying the number of years the person has been in that position. LinkedIn has made these milestones more noticeable so you can quickly see the duration. Additionally, LinkedIn will automatically send out notifications to your network when a connection's work anniversary comes around, ensuring you never miss the opportunity to congratulate them. If you're interested in finding your own work anniversaries, you can follow these same steps but navigate to your own LinkedIn profile. Just access your profile by clicking your profile photo or your name located on the home page after logging in. Once again, you'll head down to the experience section and you'll be able to see your own job anniversaries displayed just like on any other profile. And there you have it, a simple and effective guide to finding work anniversaries on LinkedIn. This small yet meaningful gesture shows your connections that you value their professional achievements. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.